You are the one holding it all together. You copy from here, you paste it there, you rewrite it somewhere else. Every single day, the system runs on you. And you are exhausted. Most people think they need more tools. They download another app, they watch another tutorial. But the problem was never the tools. The problem is that the tools were never connected. Your information moves because you move it. Your work flows because you make it flow. Take you out of the equation and everything stops. You are exhausted. This is n8n. It is not another AI tool. It is the layer underneath your tools. Think of it like a nervous system. Your brain sends a signal and your hand moves without you thinking about it. n8n works the same way. One thing happens and everything else responds automatically without you. Here is what this looks like in real life. You save a piece of research, n8n detects it, sends it to an AI that summarizes it. The summary drops into your Notion automatically and archives itself. You did not touch it. You did not copy anything. You did not switch a single tab. The system moved because you built it to move. Most people are still collecting tools, adding more apps to an already broken system. But the ones who will move differently are not asking which tool to use next. They are asking, how do I make what I already have work without me? That is the question n8n answers, not productivity, architecture. Go to n8n.io. Start with one connection, just one, and watch what your system becomes.
This has been the Odegua Library. Reclaim your time. Master the tools of the future. Subscribe for the next Signal audit.